Hello friends, my name is Sia and today we will be making another craft. It is this cool origami whale. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this cool origami whale and I hope you enjoy making it with me, and come on, let's begin. So materials needed to make this, not many, just a square sheet of paper. You can use any color you want. I'm just using blue because I'm making a blue whale. You can make a killer whale, humpback whale, any one you want. I'm just using blue. I also have a 4-inch square sheet of paper. You can use any size you want, 5 and 6 and 7 inch. Really doesn't matter, as long as you can follow along with me. If you have a square sheet of paper of any size and color, let's begin. So I'm just going to fold it in a diagonal. Just gonna fold it like this. Should see a crease. And now the next step is just folding it like this. Right here. 1 fold and 2 fold. It should be in a kite shape when you're done, like this. Should look like this with 2 creases right here. Should look like that. Now, I am just going to take this little flap here, that little triangle, and just make it meet with the kite shape. Now it looks like a, I don't know, it lost its kite shape right now. So I just folded that little triangle down. Now, I'm just going to, right here, this also has a crease. So do these two. Its ending points have one too. So it would be easy to fold it into the whale body. And now the next step is, our whale was like this. Now I'm just going to open it back when we did the triangle. Now I'm going to turn it over into this big diamond. Now what I'm going to do is just fold the tail into a mini triangle. Something like a flat whale and a big tail. Like this. Now try and press it here at the same time fold it. That way the whale will get its tail shape onto right here. Now, all I'm going to do is just lift it up like this. So it's like this. Now I'm just going to lift it. Not too hard, just a little bit up. Like this. Here should look like this. And that is almost the finished whale. Now, the next step is, I have a pencil here. I'm just going to take it and draw a big smile, like this. A big ginormous smile. You can do the same. Now, above that, I'm just going to make a big ginormous eye, like that. Now, same for the other side. I'm going to mark a big smile here. And then I'm just going to draw an oval, color it into the eye. This is how the whale looks. Looks like this, this, like this. And that's the finished whale. I hope you enjoy making it with me, and I hope you come back for the next episodes of crafts, learnings, reading, and more. Bye-bye for now.